Malam, how far now? I beg I won't charge my phone. I just charge my phone sharp.
And plug on for there, and plug on for there.
Okay.
Shekwe.
Huh?
No carry your eye, come out your phone.
But my charger they charge slow now.
I don't tell you, no carry your eye, come out your phone.
Okay, I don't hear you. So all of you na phone and I can't charge.
Yes, Shekwe.
Osapolo, you self can't charge phone.
No worry, as I dey come, I dey go.
Share that so your charger fast.
Aha, my phone don't full self.
Lord of Jesus, which kind charger be that one?
No, I testify what 3 fast charge. Mama, this thing will charge your phone, charge your laptop, charge your relationship, John. And this MFi cable wait like 10 years warranty. Shekwe, even your relationship no fit see 10 years. Come this corner, make I show you where you go fit buy am.
No, Musa talk to me, I no come on my eye for my phone.
Oh yeah, now you never ready with that.
See you, even my phone goes soon for yourself. My phone on full, I don't go.
Tio?
Let's say my phone on full, I don't go.
Tio?
Phone on phone.
When this phone go full,
Ice cream? No carry your eye, come on your phone.
it's virtual.
No carry your eye, come on your phone.
Shekbe, you still there here?
Yes, so
I still there use that cord. But you still there here.
I don't feel come on my eye for my phone.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I move my phone. Musa, don't go.